Hi, I'm Mark. This is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and my delivery of a new Apple AirTags and a couple of accessories has just arrived. So this is going to be an unboxing and setup video, and then I'm going to use them for about a week and bring you guys a proper review. So let's check out what's inside. Okay, so here is the box from Apple that my AirTags and various things came with. Now you can see I ordered a few Belkin accessories as well, so I ordered the secure holder with strap and a couple of their keychains as well. I'll talk about those in the full review. But if we look at the AirTag box itself, it's kind of a classic Apple box. This is a 4-tag option, kind of nice clean white design, and if you look inside you can see that you get all the usual kind of documents and stuff, no Apple stickers if you're a fan of them, and then the 4 AirTags themselves are just packaged like this. Now I opted to have mine engraved because it's a free option, so we've got some with T, I've got a star, and I've got 2 M's as well. It just means you can easily tell between your different AirTags just by having that engraving on. And they're just these really nice, light, small discs. It's also worth saying that you need to make sure your phone has been updated to iOS 14.5. So let's get it all set up. So setting these up is super easy. You just remove a bit of plastic around the outside of your AirTag, and that final bit makes contact with the battery inside, and it makes a little noise. If you're close to your phone, you then get a window like this for you to set it up, and you just choose where your AirTag is, so whether it's on your backpack or your keys. It'll then prompt you to link it to your Apple ID, and then you're all done. Nice and easy. Now I did actually have an error, so I needed to go into the Find My app in order to add it through there. So all you need to do in the Find My app is go to the New Items tab, and then at the bottom of that list you can see Add New Item. So you just click that and you get this setup screen again as long as your AirTag is nice and close. So you press your connect, you can choose which item of yours you're going to attach it to, so my backpack. You then link it to your Apple ID, which I'm not going to show you because it has my details on. And then it does all the setup stuff, and you can get it to make a noise, and you can view how it works. I hope you guys found this video helpful and interesting. If you've got any questions, do stick them below and I'll try and answer those. And make sure you subscribe to the channel to be first to see that review when it comes out shortly. If you want to pick up AirTags yourself, I've put a link below as well. I'll see you guys again soon.